Today I'm going to show you why you need to be using a food scale. Welcome to the kitchen. Today I got a food scale here. I'm going to show you why you need one if you don't already have one, and not to use measuring cups, especially for things such as oatmeal, cheese, things like that. So you'll see why. Let's talk a little bit about the nutrition label on some food items to start. So we got oatmeal here, so just some quick oats, old-fashioned, they're all the same. But okay, if you look at the nutrition facts, a serving size is a half cup dry, and next to that it says 40 grams. So all of the nutrition facts on here, such as calories, fat, carbs, protein, the macros, that is based on 40 grams, not off of a half cup measuring cup, which is a guesstimate, but it is not precise. And I'll show you why here. So yeah, oatmeal, covered that. Since I got a 1 cup measuring cup, I'm gonna weigh out 80 grams since a serving size is half cup. I'm gonna measure 1 cup. So 40 times 2, 80 grams. Now that I got it weighed out, 80 grams exactly. So I know exactly how many calories I'm getting. It's 300 calories on the dot, 6 grams of fat, 54 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein on the dot. So I know exactly what I'm getting, can track that, my fitness pal, do that. So now let's measure it with a measuring cup and then weigh it and see if it's 80 grams like it should be. 1 cup. A little above the top. Okay, I'll lower it a little bit. There, it's a pretty damn level scoop if you ask me. So 1 cup measuring cup weighs 104 grams. So you're actually getting over 25% more calories than you think if you're using a measuring cup. So in 104 grams, I just typed in 100 grams here on my fitness pal. 100 grams would be 375 calories versus if you actually weighed out a cup, it would be 300 calories. So if you're measuring everything from oats to peanut butter, all that in a measuring cup, you're getting probably 500 more calories than you should be in a day. It will add up very quickly. So food scales are very beneficial. One other food I want to go over as far as weighing out, you need to weigh out especially your meats. So I got tilapia fillets here, but this goes towards chicken and beef even. Even if it says a pound on the label, it might be a little off, but those are usually pretty accurate. But like tilapia fillets here, I got this bag here, you know, individually wrapped. I'm sure you've had these before. So what it says on the label, it says 8 servings per container. So it came with 8 fillets. So you just assume each one's exactly 4 ounces, right? You just grab one, oh, okay, I'm getting 4, each one's 4 ounces exactly. Getting that 4 ounces, 90 calories, 20 grams of protein. Okay, let's change it to ounces now. You could do grams too, because it says 4 ounces, 112 grams. But I always measure my proteins by ounces since I'd use a lot heavier amounts, because oatmeal, a cup, so what, 80 grams, stuff like that. But when I measure like chicken breasts, it can be like 8 ounces, 10 ounces, which is a lot of grams, up to 1,000. So, all right, this fillet, this one's 4.4, so it's 0.4 off. It's not bad. And this one, 3 ounces. So it's not consistent. If you cook these together and evenly distributed it into meal prep containers, it would work out. It would average to barely below 4 ounces, so that's actually not bad. Actually, still below 4 ounces, quite a bit. But what I'm saying is, measuring cups is inconsistent. The labels are inconsistent because you would assume there's 8 fillets, 4 ounces each. Weigh it out, then you'll know exactly what you're getting. You won't go over, and maybe some items are on the low side, but it's better to be sure, and then you know what you're getting in, and you're consistent. And it's a good habit too, and it's easy to use. You can't say it's an inconvenient, oh, I'll grab my bowl there instead of getting a measuring cup out and just dump it in there. Oatmeal, berries, peanut butter, chia seeds. There are many food scales you could get on Amazon or wherever else, so they're 12 bucks or so, 10 to 15 bucks, I'll say that. Definitely worth it. That way you know exactly what you're getting in. So go get one. If you don't have one, put it to use on the daily, and then you'll know. And if you're not seeing results still after tracking a little bit, you'll just know that you're getting too many calories in. Then just drop your calories by 200 calories. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I'll see you next time.